got to tell you, baby.
Oh, you take so long to open the door. Maybe think nobody never there. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why am I there? Why am I there? I can't stay too long, you see. I can't stay too long. They pick them in the car. They pick them in the car. Miss supposed to go buy the pick them ice cream. Yeah, tell her if you're up. Miss supposed to go buy the pick them ice cream. Tell her if you're hurry up, you see, because look at my wife. My wife, she start get suspicious. She start complaining, say how me I stay long when me carry out the picnic them. So tell her if you're up, you see, tell her if you're up. Wait. How your mother frock stretch out so, like she go out. Wait, a man here keep with me. He can't work, it can't work. Give me the money. A man here keep with me. What's it there? A man here, what's it there?
It's not she going out.
What?
It's not she going out, it's me.
You?
Yeah.
But I never see you go nowhere. I've been coming here over 2 years now to get my regular fixing from your mother. You know, and the only time I see you go anywhere is when you go outside to allow me and your mother to carry on where you carry on. So how come you going out tonight? Eh?
Well, there's a first in everything, you know.
Hi, so tell me, how come you never go out with me?
Maybe because you never asked.
Yeah. All right. I have boxing now. You want me to buy you some ice cream?
Yes. What happened to the children?
Yeah. You don't can pass to one of them. Yes, you. Hey.
What happened to Mama?
Yeah, she nothing know. Hey. Look. I know she have another man, you know. I know. Look, I know your mother have another man. I don't like it, but I have to put up with it.
Why?
So I can be close to you. Look. Look, it's a long time I like you, you know. But you so standoffish. I never know how to tell you.
Interesting.
Listen up. I know one day me and your mother is going to left. And you see when that day come, I want it to be just me and you.
What is you? Tell her to tell me about the last time, you know?
No. Hold on. Tell me what you do. I want her to put you out. Tell her something for her time. Tell her how her backside big like Bob Marley funeral. You see? And then make she put you out. And then I will set you up in your own uptown apartment. You hear? I agree, sir. Me tell her to take you back the last time. But the fool me did fool. I tell you what you do. Hold on. Here what you do. Here what. Hey. As of now, I'm paying the rent to you. What you say?
Welcome to my boyfriend.
My boyfriend? So hold on. Since me and you make the little deal, you keep man with me already? Eh? Which boyfriend you talking about? You mean the one who's going out tonight? Run him!
I can't do that. I can see when I want to. I'm more over. I have more money than you. That's right.
How much money you want? Take money, girl. Take money. Take money, girl. Take money. Take money, girl. Take money. Take money. Take money. Take money.
So how come you never give Mama so much money yet?
Tell me something. You ever go to the market and you see the nice young fresh chicken them, and then you see the one that hang up by their leg with their head still up on their body? Eh? The young fresh chicken sell more than the stewing hen. You see? So that's how it go. Plus she have another man who can make up the money. Hey, listen to me now. I can give you anything you want, but one thing though, you can't keep no man with me, you see?
Look here, I can't promise you that, you know, so just step back your money.
Baby, how you so touches? Baby, picture me. Just hold on, pan that, man. But think about it, Just picture me and you. Hold on. All right, you see. Oh yeah, me was just about to come. I mean, me just come. Me just come, me just... So hold on, tell me something. You go out?
No, me dear, no Precious have date. Don't it, Precious?
Precious? Have date? No, ratty there. You mean that really have man? Man look on that, but man a dog, you know? Oh, man.
I know you talk about me daughter, you know. I know you talk.
I can't believe it. The way she carry on that man la want go out with her. The way she clap people. No, sir. No, she good, you know.
My daughter know if you behave on a date.
Oh.
Come, Precious. One outside and give me a little space. If you're not in a hurry, in a rush.
Yes, me a little rush. Yeah. Go on outside. You look a pervert. Go on outside. What do you want to say? Hold on. You notice how like a girl walk out.
I think you say you're in a hurry.
Hold on. Like a girl walk out. She not a magazine. She not think she gone out. You must have beat her somewhere, you know. I tell you what you do. Put her out.
Put her out.
Me say put her out. But make somebody take care of her. Put her out, man. All right. Hurry up, you see. Hurry up. Me always not you. Me must say pick them in the car, you see. Me supposed to go by them and scream. Well, lad. Rough Rider all night.
Sit down, that pillars.
All right. Why?
You know the usual. Dry one side.
All right. I don't know how long I can keep up this, you know. Ooh, hold on, Rough Rider no one. Oh, yes, it's on now. Okay. Aye. Oh, yes. All right. Take body, girl.
Oh, yes.
Take body.
Oh, yes.
Take body, girl. Take body. That's for the rent. That's for the crap. That's for the Kentucky snack. You take me easy. You take me, take body. I said, take body. Ooh, take body. Aye. Man. Boy. Hold on. Boy. Yes. Some can say, yeah. Oh, yes. Some can say so. Ooh, la. Ooh, la. Where I wanna. Ooh, la, wanna.
Next door.
Ooh, yes. So we can see it. Oh, it's so sweet tonight. Ooh.
Man car still outside, walk me now go home.
He's soon gone. Just a catch a little nap.
Yeah?
You know what me I go do?
Hey.
Me go make Precious go on with you, right?
Yeah.
And then, when him gone, you come back for me.
Then Precious will go out with me?
Yes. She don't like the idea, I know. But I beg her. So nobody try nothing, because she carry a knife, so she will stab you.
It's cold, man. I go on, cold, man. Sleep, Daddy.
Precious! Your date is here!
Precious date, huh?
Precious! Devon is here!
It's me, Precious, and date.
Hello, Devon.
Devon? Me show me here that name there already.
Yes!
Huh?
Precious boyfriend named Devon.
Oh, hi, Miss Son. Hi.
Nice to meet
Fix up, look sharp, you see.
So I'm Precious.
What a way you look nice.
You know, money I running, so I have to look after myself, you know?
You're full of argument, eh?
So I'm to your clothes.
Don't have any now. His mama want me, I forgot borrow.
I mean, don't have any clothes, it's mama clothes. My girl don't have any clothes? Tell you what you do, it's just for tonight. Borrow a frock from your mother, but tomorrow, Precious, come get some clothes, yeah?
I know close to you, no, mama. I see her one them all the time.
But Precious, you don't know where to find the fine fabric and all of them things there.
So you no can't follow me then?
Hey. Mama. Mind you have to take money from strangers, you know. You hear me? You don't know what they might want in return.
That's right.
The same thing that you want.
What do you mean by that?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
What
What are you
are you
talking about?
talking about?
What are you talking
The same thing that you're paying Mama the rent for.
So you mean you're going to give him the same thing too?
After she no mad.
After you no mad.
After you no mad.
After you no
Remember,
mad.
you know, it's just a date.
This
You
is
hear
just a
me?
date.
It's
This is
just a
a
date.
date. Just a date.
Just a day. Mama, before me forget to the rent money here.
The rent money? How you get the rent money, Precious?
It's me give out to give to you, you see.
So what me did there?
I feel so bad every time I come down and I just put on the money like me I pay for something. It looks so impersonal. So I want to make it a bit more personal, so make it she to give to you.
Well, you hear me now? You pay me personally next time.
Oh, okay.
If on this can buy nothing, this can barely buy one dress.
Precious, you know, say money is no problem, you know. What are you talking about? Another $10,000, 20 grand.
What?
That's something.
$10,000? How come you never give me $10,000 yet?
I thought me never see $10,000 yet.
Listen to me, Devon. Me is the mother. Give the money to me and I will look after.
Whatever, Mama, whatever. I can look after myself. Excuse me, you're gonna go and change, yeah?
Hurry up and come back here.
Every time we want to change somebody in that bathroom, it's all right, me do it right here, sir.
What do you mean do it right here? So walk to the bathroom, Precious. Walk to the bathroom and run her back.
Somebody in there, you don't hear.
Me never say toilet, me say bathroom.
Look here, it's not anything strange where you never see before, you Devon.
Yeah, all right, man.
What you say?
I said it can be all right.
All right, come. Quick, put on the front, let me help you. It's what time to you, Mama.
I can't do it myself and I don't need no help.
Tapi, she not a manas, you know. She not a manas. She not a manas.
All right. You look nice. Hurry up and go on and remember come back early. No late night, you hear me?
Yeah, man. All right, Miss Sue.
Miss Sue? Miss Sue? Since when I Miss Sue?
So you know our mother, Miss Sue, so respect now for Drew? Come on, man. All right, here, Mr. Brinks.
All right, my son. I won't call me. I won't. Rita. I won't call me.
What?
I won't call me a while ago. I won't call me a while ago.
No, man.
Well, I won't call me a while ago.
What, bring?
I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody.
I'm missing out, miss.
I need-
No mind. Come on, man. You know,
What?
say you're in a hurry.
What?
Remember, say extra for this. So.
Oh, yeah. Come in, never get none of that. Just hurry up. Hurry up, the man.
In the brief tighty, man.